What's up, guys? I'm Dan, and we're here with the Oso Electric Equipment commercial all-electric 21-inch walk-behind smart mower. From the start, Oso set out to build an all-electric mower that would meet or exceed the performance of its gas counterparts. Personally, I feel like we nailed it. Before we dig in, safety first. Be sure you read and understand your operator's manual before using your new mower. This electric smart mower may be a little different than the gas mowers you're used to. You can find both an English and a Spanish version of the operator's manual online at osoelectric.com/support. Let's start with the battery. Oso has a 38 amp hour waterproof battery in a steel case. This is a powerful lithium iron phosphate battery. You'll get an average runtime of 2 hours just out of one of these in ideal conditions. We also offer a lighter weight 1 hour battery as well. So to start the machine, you slide the battery into the bay, you connect your power cord till it snaps, turn on the main switch, and you're good to go. So let's talk about some of the features. On the back, we have a single lever that adjusts the height, very easy to use. To engage the wheels, it's simple. You've got a variable speed control here. You just pull the bar and the wheels go. The more you pull it, the faster the mower goes. And depending on your preference, you also have a speed control toggle here that lets you adjust your maximum speed for the wheels. The blade is also simple. You pull the bar, one button touch, let off and the blade stops. When transporting the mower, make sure it's securely strapped down in your truck or trailer. The mower has anchors on the back that you can use. You're going to want to make sure that the mower does not roll around while being transported. The mower supports both mulching and bagging. To attach the bag, first turn off the mower, then you just lift the back flap and attach the bag. Let's talk about some of the additional safety features. 1, we have an automatic blade brake, so when you let off the handle, the blade immediately stops. 2, we have an emergency shutdown switch. You get in a situation where you have to shut the machine down quickly, you hit that button, wheels and the blades both shut off. A couple other things to keep in mind when we're talking safety. Don't ever put your hands or your feet or any objects near the base of the machine when it's running. And if you're going to do any work on the machine or clean it, you need to go ahead and shut it down and remove the battery first. So if you need to clean underneath the machine or change the blade, always remember to first turn off the machine, remove your battery from the mower, and then you're ready to change the blade. Just use a 9/16 socket. Always put the blade on first and then the wings. You also always want to hand tighten your nut. And there you go. The Oso 21-inch commercial lawnmower is a cloud-connected smart mower with some exciting features that you're not going to find on any gas mower out there. It includes real-time GPS tracking. You'll be able to log into your Oso dashboard from your mobile device or your computer and monitor the location of fleet of mowers in real time. Easily see all the jobs completed on a given day, and you can drill down into the details of a specific mower for a closer look. This is truly an enterprise-grade mower for the next generation of landscaping professionals. I've been in the commercial lawn care industry for over 30 years, and hands down, this is the best mower I've ever used.